Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. The issue our user is facing revolves around a formula that involves filtering and sorting data in Google Sheets. The original formula was working fine for filtering columns AE and AF, but when attempting to add a sorting feature, the headers got mixed up with the data. This led to a bit of a hiccup in the process. Our user wants to exclude the headers from the sorting operation while maintaining the desired functionality. Moving on to the solution that can help tackle this problem, we have a nifty formula provided by our expert. The formula utilizes the let function along with other functions like index, filter, choose, and sort to efficiently filter and sort the data without including the headers in the sorting operation. By following the structure outlined in the formula, the user can achieve the desired outcome of sorting the data without the interference of headers. Now, let's explore another part of the solution presented. With the provided formula leveraging let, match, index, filter, choose, and sort functions, the user can effectively filter and sort the data from columns AE and AF. This approach ensures that the headers are not included in the sorting process, allowing for a clean and accurate sorting of the dataset. By implementing this formula, the user can streamline the sorting operation and obtain the desired results efficiently. Continuing with the solution provided, we have another formula that offers an alternative method to filter and sort the data. By using the filter, choose, index, sequence, and sort functions, the user can achieve the desired outcome without including the headers in the sorting process. This formula provides a different approach to filtering and sorting the data, catering to the specific needs of the user and ensuring a seamless sorting experience. In summary, we've covered various aspects of a solution to the sorting and filtering challenge faced by our user in Google Sheets. By implementing the suggested formulas and techniques, the user can effectively filter and sort their data without the inclusion of headers, achieving a clean and organized result. We hope this breakdown has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and any other spreadsheet challenges you'd like us to tackle. Happy sorting and filtering!